It's a Caribbean love.
Caribbean love, girl. Hey. Caribbean.
Caribbean love.
Caribbean love, girl. Hey. Caribbean.
Hey guys, Sac Passe. Welcome back to Learning with Kat. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell for all my upcoming videos. Today I am going to show you how to clean drumstick chicken. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so there's two ways that I clean my chicken. This one, it's called, well, I call it the naked chicken. So basically what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be removing the skin by pulling the skin, pretty much pulling it off the chicken. Okay, next what you want to do, you want to go down towards the bones and you want to make sure you remove the veins. Definitely got to remove the veins from your chicken. Okay, so you can either cut it or you can use your kitchen scissor and make it easy and remove it all together. Okay, you have to remove your veins from your chicken, guys. You're gonna do that all the way to the other side as well. Okay, take your knife, slide it underneath and cut. Underneath and cut. Okay, next you want to come over here and remove this part underneath. Pull underneath. And pull. Okay, you don't want to have no veins in your chicken. Okay, the next step is to come here, I don't know if you guys can see it, and remove that portion of it, which is like a little extra fat. You don't want that. You want to make sure you come inside and remove those as well. Don't go too deep. Trying to grab it as much as you can. The hot boiled water will do the rest. And for your last step, you want to cut into your chicken. Boom. Okay? This I call the naked chicken. The next one, or the next way, is to leave the skin. If you like the skin, you can remove it. You still have to remove the veins by doing the same thing we did. Underneath. Boom. Remove all of that. Okay? You want to come back to that side. Knife underneath. Press down. And go. Cut. Okay? Take your knife or your scissor and cut through. It's a clean cut. It's easy to do. Come in here. Remove this whole veins. Okay? We don't want that. Because when it's that time to bite into the bones and make sure there's no bones left, you want to make sure that vein is completely out of the way. Okay? Boom. And we're cutting. Okay? So you want clean bones. Completely nothing here. Okay? You come back. We're doing the same thing by removing this yellow part. Yellow right here. Just said grease. remove that. Okay. If there's a little veins in here, with some will have blood, get it out. Get that out. And make sure you clean it. It's gonna go too deep. You don't want your chicken to look like it's in a crack, you know, like going too deep. Chicken look kind of funny. Okay, so now what you're going to do is the skin, you're keeping the skin. However, take your knife and go like this. You're removing the grease. Okay, just removing it throughout. Next, pull down and remove that grease, ladies and gentlemen. See, remove the grease and cut. We're cutting. Okay? This is the way, or at least how I clean my chicken, and it never fails. You also need a lot of lemons. You can't use vinegar. I don't. You want to make sure you clean everything. And when I'm done, I'm going to show you the next step. Okay, so once you're done with clean your chicken with lime or lemon, you're gonna rinse it out with warm or hot water. Okay, so once you're done rinsing out your chicken with hot water, you want to make sure you throw the water away, put it back, and then now you're adding your hot boiled water, which I added lime and then onions, green onions. I'm going to cover it up and let it cover for 10 minutes. Okay guys, so this is how my chicken looked like after I throw away the water and pat it dry. So what I'm going to do, I'm using a lime, one lime, the juice. Okay, I am using my spice, which is APs, Haitian APs, or you can use any other type of spice that you desire. I'm also using organic adobo. This is completely homemade. Look out, it is coming out for you guys to be able to purchase in 2 weeks. Adding a little bit of that, and I am going to marinate. Don't be scared to get in your chicken, making sure every bit, every pieces get in there, guys. Move it around. Add a little bit more if you need to. And keep doing so until all the part of the chicken are well marinated. And also, I'm also having my Haitian APs, or I should say my APs, out also for you guys to order. And you want to continue to do so sure everything is well. Coat it with that épice, guys. Massage your chicken, ladies. Yeah, so once your chicken is well marinated, I'm not cooking mine today, so I'm going to let it in the fridge for 24 hours. You want to add, I'm adding parsley and thyme. I'm also adding my bell pepper. You don't have to add the bell pepper right away if you don't want to, because you are going to make sauce. And also I'm adding my hot bell peppers. And that's pretty much it, ladies and gentlemen. Like I said, I'm not using mine today, so I'm going to cover it up and then let it sit in my fridge for 24 hours. If you are cooking it the same day, just cook it 2 hours before, or just make sure you well season